वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसम्भावनायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तम् तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ॐ अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धं सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धं सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभं मनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
स्तोभमनवद्यं
स्तोभमनवद्यं च
सूत्रं
सूत्रं
सूत्रविदो
सूत्रविदो विदुः।
उक्तानुक्तदुरुक्तानां चिन्ता यत्र प्रवर्तते
उक्तानुक्तदुरुक्तानां चिन्ता
यत्र
यत्र
प्रवर्तते
प्रवर्तते
तं ग्रन्थं वार्तिकं प्रागुः वार्तिकज्ञामनीषिणः।
तं
तं
ग्रन्थं
ग्रन्थं
वार्तिकं
वार्तिकं प्राहुः
वार्तिकज्ञामनीषिणः
वार्तिकज्ञामनीषिणः।
प्रत्ययाशिवसूत्राणि आदेशा आगमस्तथा
प्रत्यया
प्रत्ययाशिवसूत्राणि
शिवसूत्राणि आदेश
आगमास्तथा
आगमास्तथा
धातुपाठो गणपाठ उपदेशाः प्रकीर्तिताः।
धातुपाठो
धातुपाठो
गणपाठ
गणपाठ उपदेशाः
उपदेशाः
प्रकीर्तिताः।
अथ तृतीयोऽध्यायः प्रथमः पादः।
अथ
तृतीयोऽध्यायः
तृतीयोऽध्यायः प्रथमः पादः।
प्रत्ययः
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 परश्च
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 आद्युदात्तश्च
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 अनुदातौ सुप्रितौ
अनुदात्तौ सुप्पितौ
गुप्तिष्किद्भ्यः सन्
गुप्तिज्ञिद्भ्यः सन्
मान् वदधांशान्भ्यो दीर्घश्चाभ्यासस्य
मान्
मान्
बदतांशाभ्यो
ददतांशाभ्यो
दीर्घश्चाभ्यासस्य
दीर्घश्चाभ्यासस्य
धातोः कर्मणसमानकर्तृकादिच्छायां वा
धातोः
धातोः
कर्मणसमानकर्तृकादिच्छायां वा
कर्मणसमानकर्तिकादिच्छायं वा
सुप आत्मनख्य च
सुप
सुप
आत्मनख्य
आत्मनह्य
च
च
काम्यश्च
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 उपमानादाचारे
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 कर्तृक्यंसलोपश्च अधिकरणात् चेति वक्तव्यम्
अधिकरणाच्चेति
अधिकरणाच्चेति
वक्तव्यम्
कर्तृक्यंसलोपश्च
कर्तुक्यं
सलोपश्च
सलोपश्च
सर्वप्रतिपदिकेभ्यः क्विप्त्वा वक्तव्यः
सर्वप्रातिपदिकेभ्यः क्विप् वा
वक्तव्यः
वक्तव्यः
वृषादिभ्यो भुव्यच्वेर्लोपश्च हलः
वृषादिभ्यो भुङ्क्ष्वेर्लोपश्च हलः
लोगितादिडाच्व्यक्यश
लोहिताडाभ्यः क्यच
कष्टाय क्रमणे
कष्टाय क्रमणे
कर्मणो रोमन्थतपोभ्यां वर्तिचरोः
कर्मणो रोमन्तपोभ्यां वर्तिचरोः
बाष्पोष्मभ्यामुद्वमने
बाष्पोष्मभ्यामुद्वमने
शब्दवैरकलहाभ्रकण्डवेगे व्यक्खरणे
शब्दवैरकलहाभ्रकण्वमेघेभ्यः करणे
सुखादिभ्यः कर्तृवेदनायाम्
सुखादिभ्यः कर्तुवेदनाय
नमो
नमो वरिवश्चित्रहृक्य च
नमो वरिवश्चित्रणक्य च
पुच्छभाण्डचीवराणिङ्
पुच्छभाण्डचीवराणि
मुण्डमिश्रश्लक्ष्णलवनावृतवस्त्रालकलकृततुस्तेभ्यो निच
मुण्डमिश्रश्लक्ष्णलवनवतवस्त्रकलकृततोस्तेभ्यो निच
धातोरेकाचोहलादेह्र्यासमभिहारेयङ्
धातोरेकाचोहलादिक्रियासविहारेयं
नित्यं कौटिल्ये गतौ
नित्यं कौटिल्ये गतौ
लुपसदचरजपजपदगदशगृभ्यो भावगर्गायाम्
उपसदचरजपदहतदशजिगीभ्यो भावहार्यायम्
सत्यापपाशरूपवीणात् श्लोकसेनालोपत्वचवर्मवर्णचूर्णचुरादिभ्यो णिच
सत्यापपाशरूपवीणातुलश्लोकसेन सोमध्वजवर्मवर्णचूर्णचूरादिभ्यो निच
हेतुमति च
हेतुमति च
खण्डवादिभ्यो यक्
कण्वादिभ्यो युक्
गुपूदूपविच्छिपणिपणिभ्य आयः
गुपूदूपविच्चिपणिपणिभ्य आयः
ऋतेरीयङ्
ऋतेरीयं
कमेर्णिङ्
कमेर्णि
आयादय आर्धधातुके वा
आयादय आर्धधातुके वा
सनाद्यन्ता धातवः
सनाद्यन्ताद्धातवः
शतासीलृटोः
शतासीलुटोः
सिब्बकुलं लेटि
सिब्बहुलं लेटि
कास्प्रत्ययादाममन्त्रे लिटि
कास्प्रत्ययादामन्त्रे लिटि
इजादेश्च गुरुमतो नृच्छः
इजादेश्च गुरुमतो निच्छः
दयायासश्च
दयायासश्च
उषविदजागृभ्योऽन्यतरस्याम्
उषविदजागृभ्योऽन्तरस्याम्
बीह्रीभृहुवांश्लवच्छ
बीह्रीभृहुवांस्लुवश्च
कृञ्चानुप्रयुज्यते लिटि
कृञ्चानुप्रयुज्यते लिटि
विदां कुर्वन्त्वित्यन्यतरस्याम्
विदां कुर्वन्त्वित्यन्यतरस्याम्
अभ्युत्सादयां व्रजनयां चिकयां रमयामकः पावयां क्रियाद्विदामक्रीण्यति छन्दसि
अभ्युत्सादयां प्रजनयां चिकयां रमयामकः पावनाङ्क्रियाद्विदां क्रीडन्निच्छन्दसि
चिलीलुङि
श्लेलुङि
चिलेः सिच
श्लेहस्य च
शलैकपदादनिटक्सः
शलैकपदा अनिरक्सः
श्लिष आलिङ्गने
श्लिष आलिङ्गने
नदृशः
नदृशः
निश्रीदृसृभ्यः कर्तरि चङ्
निश्रीदृसृभ्यः कर्तरि चङ्
आशाद्धेक्ष्व्योः
विभाषार्घ्येष्व्योः
गुपेश्छन्दसि
गुपेश्छन्दसि
नो नयति ध्वनयत्येलयत्यर्धयतिभ्यः
नोणयति
ध्वनयत्येलयत्येलयत्येभ्यः
अस्य तिभक्तिक्यादिभ्यों
अस्य तिभक्तिक्यादिभ्यों
लिपिसिचिह्वश्च
लिपिसिचिह्वश्च
आत्मनेपदेष्वन्यतरस्याम्
आत्मनेपदेशन्तरस्याम्
उषादिद्रितादनुदितः परस्मैपदेषु
पुषादिद्युतादितः परस्मैपदेषु
परस्मैपदेषु
सर्तिशास्त्यर्थिभ्यश्च
सार्तिशास्त्र्यर्थेभ्यश्च
इरितो वा
इरितो वा
जुरुस्तम्बु मृचु मृचु गृचु ग्लुचु ग्लुञ्चु श्विभ्यश्च
जयस्तम्भुमृचु मृचु गृचु ग्लुचु ग्लुञ्चु शुभ्यश्च
कृमृद्रुहिभ्यश्छन्दसि
कृमृद्रुहिभ्यश्छन्दसि
दीनजपबुधपूरितायिप्यायिभ्योऽन्यतरस्याम्
चिन्त्यपदः
दीपजनबुधपूरितायिभ्योत्तरस्याम्
चिन्ते पदः
चिण्टे पदः
पदः
दीपजनबुधपूरितायिप्यायिभ्योऽन्यतरस्याम्
दीपजनबुधपूरितायिप्यायिभ्योऽन्यतरस्याम्
अचकर्मकर्तरि
कर्मकर्तरि
दुहश्च
दुहश्च
नरुदः
नरुदः
तपोतापे च
तपोनुतापे च
चिन्भावकर्मणोः
चिन्भावकर्मणोः
सार्वधातुके यक्
सार्वधातुके यक्
कर्तरि शप्
कर्तरि शप्
दिवादिभ्यश्यन्
दिवादिभ्यश्यन्
वा भ्राश भ्राश भ्रमु क्रमु क्लमु त्रसि त्रुटि लशः
वा भ्राश भ्राश भ्रमु क्रमु क्लसु क्लमुत्रसि लशः
यशोनुपसर्गात्
यशोनुपसर्गात्
संयसश्च
संयसश्च
स्वादिव्यश्नुः
स्वादिव्यश्नुः
श्रुवश्रुच
श्रुवश्रुच
अक्षोण्यतरस्याम्
अक्षोण्यतरस्याम्
तनूकरणे तक्षः
तनूकरणे
तक्षः
हृदादिभ्यश्यः
हृदाभ्यश्चः
हृदादिभ्यश्नम्
हृदाभ्यश्नम्
तनादिक्यः उः
तनादिकृभ्यः उः
दिन्विकृन्व्योरच
दिविकृभ्योरच
त्रयादिभ्यश्ना
त्रयाभ्यश्ना
स्तम्बुस्तुम्बुस्कुम्बुस्कुम्भ्यश्नुश्च
स्तम्बुस्तुम्बु when you little up
sorry
you can see
sorry
स्तम्बुस्तुम्बुस्कुम्भुस्कुम्भुस्कुम्भ्यश्च श्नुश्च
हलश्नशानजौ
हलश्नश्शनजौ
छन्दसि शायजपि
छन्दसि शयाजपि
व्यत्ययो बहुलम्
व्यत्ययो बहुलम्
लिङ्याशिष्यम्
लिङ्याशिष्यम्
कर्मवत् कर्मणा तुल्यक्रियः
कर्मवत् कर्मणा तुल्यक्रियः
तपस्तपःकर्मकस्यैव
तपस्तपःकर्मकस्यैव
न दुगस्नु नमां यक्षिणौ
न दुहस्नु नमाम्यक्षिणौ
कुशीरञ्जोः प्राचांश्यन् परस्मैपदं च
कुशीरञ्जो प्राचांश्यं परस्मैपदं च
धातोः
धातोः
तत्रोपपदं सप्तमीस्थं
तत्रोपपदं
तत्रोपपदं
सप्तमी स्थं
सप्तमीस्थं
कृदतिं
क्रीडति
क्रीडतिं
वासरूपो त्रियाम्.
वासरूपो
वसरूपो
स्त्रिया
स्त्रियाम्.
So what was sutram? सार्वधातुके
यक्
यक्. The anuvritti completely bhavakarmanoho coming as anuvritti. Bhavakarmanoho, that is in Bhabe Prayoga, Karmani Prayoga, Bhava Vachye, Karma Vachye, Bhava Karma Vachini. Then Sarvadhatuke Pratyaya Pare Dhatoho Paraha, what Pratyaya will come?
यक्
Yak. Yak is Sarvadhatukam Radhadhatukam.
अर्धधातुकम्
And Valadi or not?
बलद्
Valadi. Huh?
no
Not
बलद्
No Valadi, therefore no Itagama. And Kakara is it, therefore what?
no आगम
Kakara is it letter. Itagama will not come because it is not Valadi.
मुख आगम comes.
Mukkagama. No, I'm asking about only the Pratyaya. Yak is a Pratyaya, Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya, not Valadi. And what else? Kakara is
It's not it is apit
Apit. What Apit has to do with Adhadhatuka?
because
Apit property has no connection with Adhadhatuka. What Samandha is between Adhadhatuka Pratyaya and Apit? Is there any Samandha? Any connection?
apit is also for sarvadhataka.
Only for Sarvadhatuka, not for Adhadhatuka.
Okay.
Sarvadhatukam Apit considered to be Nit.
It, yes.
Therefore, Angakarya is negated there. What has to
Yes.
do with
Kit.
Ardhadhatuka?
Yes.
So, what is the significance of the letter, Git
Kit.
letter, Kakara?
Kit.
Kit
Git.
pratyay.
Meet. So do you not
Kit
occur the
kit pratyay.
Kitvat, what will happen? What's the use of Kit?
Then not Angakarya.
yes.
Yes, Angakarya is
Ardhadhatukam
negated, that is why.
Ardhadhatukam kit
Huh?
pratyaya.
Sorry?
Ardhadhatukam kit pratyaya meaning not Angakarya.
Angakarya is negated. Angakarya will not happen. That's why Kakara is letter is there. Gunaviruddhi Nishedhartham Kitvam. Don't bring Apitvam property here. Apitvam has no connection at all. Sarvadhatuka Apit. That we required Apitvam only for Sarvadhatuka, not for Adhadhatuka. If Adhadhatuka is Apit, so what? No connection, no thing. Adhadhatuka, whether it is Kit or not, simple. Kit, Git or Git, whatever. Angakarya is negated. There is no indirect Kitvam or Gitvam for Adhadhatuka Pratyaya. Only for Sarvadhatuka, indirect assigning of Kitvam. If it is Sarvadhatuka Apit, then it is deemed to be Git. Therefore, no Angakarya. What it has to do with Sarvadhatuka? Vachaspati.
No connection.
Clear?
Yes.
All fundamental things must be clear. So, what is Karmani and what is Bhave? We have seen that also. In Karmani Prayoga, What is Karmani Prayoga?
Karmani Prayoga, meaning the
Hmm.
it's karma is the abhihitam.
Karma is Abhigitam, that is Karmani Prayoga. In Kartari Prayoga, Karta is Abhigitam.
Yes.
English translation is active voice, passive voice, Karmani Prayoga or Karmavachyam. What is Kartari Prayoga? Kartari Prayoga, active voice, where Karta is Abhigitam by the Kriya Padam. Abhigitam meaning denoted. Take the example, Rama goes to the forest. I'm doing Kartari now. Huh? Goes. Who goes? Rama goes. Putra Gacchati. Vana, that is karma. Ramaha Vanam Gacchati. So, Gacchati, the Kriya Padam, Ti tells you that it indicates Karta, Pratama Purusha, all those things. It denotes the doer of the Kriya, Gamana Kriya. If it is Rama, then Gacchataha, Raha Gacchanti. Vanam, the Vachanam of Vanam has no impact on the Kriya Padam. That's why we say Abhigitam. What Abhigitam? By Kriya Padam, what is Abhigitam is Karta. When Karta is Abhigitam, then the Prayoga is Kartari Prayoga. And Karma is Anabhigita. In Kartari Prayoga, Karta is Abhigitam, Karma is Anabhigitam. All this must be very clear. Ramaha Palam Kadati. Kadati by Kriyapadam. What is Abhigitam?
Ramaha.
Ramaha.
Hmm?
Ramaha.
Lord, it's not clear.
Ramaha.
Ramaha.
Ramaha. What is Anabhigitam?
Palam.
Palam. Palam, which is Karma. Karma is Anabhigita, Karta is Abhigita. Karta is Ramaha. Therefore, what Prayoga?
Kartari.
Kartari Prayoga. If Karta becomes Ramu, then Kriyapadam becomes Kadataha. By Kadataha, what is Abhigita?
Ramo.
Karta is Abhigita and Karta happens to be Ramu. And what about Palam?
Anabhihitam.
Anabhihita.
So therefore, what Prayoga is that?
Kartari.
Karta is Abhigita, therefore Kartari Prayoga. Understand? All these are
Yes.
Kadati, Kadataha, you can see. In keeping with the Kriyapadam, the Karta will be. So Karta is Abhigitam, Ramaha Kadanti. Right? Karma changes. Karma is not a Abhigita. Therefore, Anabhigitatvad. Karma should be in Dvitiya Vibhakti, can be in any Vachanam. Whereas Karta is Abhigita, therefore, Karta has to be in Pratama Vibhakti and Vachanam has to be in keeping with the Kriya Padam. Is it clear?
Clear.
Aham Palam Kadami. Here, who is a Karta? Aham Uttama Purusha. Pratyaya tells you Uttama Purusha. Aham, only one Ekavachanam. I. What is Abhigitam here? Karta or Karma?
Karta.
Karta.
Karta is Aham. Aham is Abhigita. Palam, Anabhigita. Karma, which is Anabhigita. Therefore, Kartari Prayoga. Avam Kadavaha. Tvam Kadasi. Yuyam Khadata. So you can see in all the above sentences, in keeping with the Vachanam and the Purusha of the Karta, the Kriya Padam changes. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Therefore, there is conformity of the Kriya Padam with the Kartar Padam. This is what I say in Kriya Padam, Karta is Abhigitam. That Prayoga, that Vachya, that sentence is Kartari Prayoga. Is it clear?
Yes.
Clear.
So in Kartari Prayoga, who is Abhigita? Karta is Abhigita. And Karma is Anabhigita. What about Karanam? That also Anabhigita only.
Yes.
Sampradana, Anabhigita. Apadana, Anabhigita.
Anabhihita.
Adhikarana,
Yes.
Anabhigita. That is why they are in different vibhakti. Anabhigita Karanam Tritiya, Anabhigita Sampradanam Chaturthi, Anabhigita Apadanam Panchami, Anabhigita Adhikaranam Saptami. If it is Abhigita, anything Abhigita has to be Pratama only. Karta is Abhigitam, therefore Karta in Pratama Vibhakti in Kartari Priyaha. In Karmani Priyaha, Karma is Abhigitam, therefore Karma in Pratama Vibhakti. Understand?
Yes.
Yes.
So in Kartari Priyaha, Karta is Abhigitam, Karma is Anabhigitam. Understand?
Yes.
For Abhigita Karta, otherwise we can say Abhigita Karta is indicated that Priyaha has to be Kartari Priyaha. And Abhigita Karta will be in Pratama Vibhakti. Simple. What about Karma? Karma is Anabhigita. Anabhigita Karma will be in Dvitiya Vibhakti. Is it clear?
Clear.
Yeah.
So this remember. Karta in Kartari Prayoga, Karta is Abhigita. Abhigita Karta will be in Pratama Vibhakti. In Kartari Prayoga, Karma is Anabhigita. Anabhigita Karma will be in Dvitiya Vibhakti. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Now, Karmani Prayoga, what happens? Going to the forest is done by Rama. Or can take a fruit is eaten by Rama. So, Ramena Palam Khadyate. Kadyate, Kadatu, Parasmay Paridatu, taking Atmanepadi. Therefore, what does it denote? Karta or Karma?
Karma.
Huh?
Karma.
Karta or Karma?
Karma.
Karma, don't say Karta. Just now we saw Sarvadhatu ke yak. Here you see yak. Kadya. Bhava
Yes.
Karmanoho, Kartari, Bhava Karmanoho, Sarvadhatu ke prate pare, Dhatoho, Paraha, yak bhavati. That yak is there in Kadyati. Kadyate, sorry. Otherwise, how yak will come?
Yes.
Kadhatu, Parasmepadi Dhatu. How it will take Atmanepadi? When it takes Atmanepadi, Bhava Karmanoho, Atmanepadam. It's a rule. In Bhave Priyoga and Karmani Priyoga, Dhatu will take Atmanepada Pratyaya. Whatever may be the Dhatu, whether it is Parasmepadi or Atmanepadi. And Vikana Pratyaya, Yak will come. Therefore, Kadyate. So, by this Kriya Padam, what is Abhigita?
Karma.
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 Abhigita Karma. Karma, when it is Abhigita, then what Vibhakti it has to be?
Pratama Vibhakti.
Pratama Vibhakti. And Karta is Abhigita or Anabhigita?
Nabhita.
Anabhigita Karta will be in Tritiya Vibhakti. It's a rule. Why I say Karma is Abhigita? Suppose if it is Pale, Ramena,
Karma.
Pale, what?
Karma.
Yete.
Karma is Abhihita, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Abhigita
Okay.
Karma Pratama Vibhakti. Simple. Ramena, Pale, dash.
Kadyete.
Yete.
That is what Abhigita. Palam Kadyate, Pale Kadyate, Palani
Kadyante.
Kadyante.
Kadyante. In keeping with the Kriya Padam, karma changes or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Changes.
Therefore, karma Abhigitam. Ramena, that
No.
independent. Doesn't bother.
Not.
Whether one Rama, two Rama, whatever it is. Ramena Palam Kadyate, Ramena Pale Kadyate, Ramena Palani Kadyante. Understand?
Understand.
Yes.
It can be Ramena or it can be Ramabhyam, it can be Ramahi, whatever, it doesn't matter. Because it is Anabhigita, Tritiya Vibhakti. Understand?
Yeah.
Understood.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Clear.
So, what is Abhigita? Whatever may be. In Kartari Priyaga, what is Abhigita? Karta, Karta in Pratama Vibhakti. In Karmani Priyaga, Karma is Abhigita, Karma in Pratama Vibhakti. In Kartari Priyaga, Karma is Anabhigita, therefore Karma will be in Dvitiya Vibhakti. In Karmani Priyaga, Karta is Anabhigita, therefore Karta is in Tritiya Vibhakti. Understand?
Yes.
Yes.
me what prayoga?
Sorry, can you repeat?
You analyze this sentence. Which is abhigita, which is anabhigita? What type of sentence is this? Ramaihi palam khadyate.
Karmani prayoga.
Prayoga.
Karmani
Phalam.
prayoga. Then what is abhigita?
Karma.
Karma.
Phalam.
Abhigita karma. Will be in what vibhakti?
Prathama vibhakti.
Prathama.
What is anabhigita here?
Karta.
Karta.
Anabhigita karta in karmani prayoga will be in
Tritiya.
what vibhakti? Tritiya vibhakti. Understand?
Yes.
Yes.
You have to remember this thoroughly. In kartari prayoga, karta is abhigita, therefore in pratama. Karma is anabhigita, therefore karma in dvitiya. In karmani prayoga, karma is abhigitam, therefore pratama. Karta is anabhigita, therefore in with tritiya. So rule. Remember this. Okay. That's what here you get given. To summarize. In kartari prayoga, karta will be in pratama vibhakti. In kartari prayoga, karma will dvitiya vibhakti. Meaning what? Karta is pratama vibhakti means. What does it mean?
Karta in Pratama means Kartari prayoga.
Yeah, what does it mean? Karta is abhigitam, right?
Yes.
In kartari prayoga, karma is in dvitiya vibhakti. It means karma is
Vihitam.
Anabhihitam.
anabhigitam. Karmani prayoga, karma in pratama vibhakti. Therefore, karma is
Abhihitam.
Abhihitam.
karmani prayoge, karta will be in tritiya vibhakti. Therefore, it is
Anabhihitam.
Anabhihitam.
karta is anabhigita. Understand?
Yes.
Understand.
Therefore, we can make just simply three words, three sentences. Abhigita karta or abhigita karma will be in what vibhakti? Abhigita karta or abhigita karma? Huh?
Prathama
Prathama
vibhakti.
vibhakti.
Pratama. Anabhigita karta will be in what vibhakti?
Anabhihita karma Dvitiya.
Tritiya.
Anabhigita karta.
Ah.
Tritiya.
Tritiya.
Anabhigita karma?
Dvitiya.
Dvitiya. That's it. That's what I've written here. Then, is it clear? Huh?
Yes.
Clear.
Take the example. Chatraha patam patati. Dhatu is paddhatu, sakarmaka dhatu. Karma is karma, patam. Pata is a pradipadikam, patam, karma, therefore dvitiya vibhakti, kartari prayoga, karma anabhigitatva dvitiya. Chatraha karta abhigitatva pratama. Chatraha patati, here karma not mentioned. Even though dhatu is sakarmaka dhatu. Karma depends on the vivaksha of the speaker. Karma not mentioned. Now convert this into karmani. Chatraha patam patati. Here what will happen? Here karma is pata. In karmani prayoga, karma will be in pratama vibhakti, therefore pataha. And karta will be in tritiya vibhakti, therefore chatrena. In keeping with the karma, patyate. Pataha patyate chatrena. Right?
Yes.
Similarly, chatraha patati. Karma not there, therefore chatrena patyate. Karma not there. Therefore, what prayoga is this? Bhave prayoga. Because it denotes only the pure action alone is denoted. Reading alone is done by is conveyed. Who reads, they are read by whom and all, not pradhana, not significant. Patyate, chatrena patyate, read by reading is done by the student. What he read, that is not mentioned. Bhave prayoga. Only action alone is highlighted. Understand?
Yes.
Understood.
This is for the Sakarmaka Dhatu. Akarmaka Dhatu naturally will not take karma. Therefore, Akarmaka Dhatu can be only in either Kartari or Bhave Priyoga. Whereas Sakarmaka Dhatu can be Kartari, Karmani, and Bhave. You remember the Sutra in which we talked about this. What is Sutra? Important Sutra, many times I told.
Nagah
What
karmani
is
cha
that Sutra?
bhave cha
Yes,
karmana.
very good. Laha Karmani Chavave Cha Karma Ke Bhyaha. That's what it is. Dhatu which cannot take karma can be either in, like for example, Asati, Ramaha Asati, Kartari Priyaha, Hasyate,
Bhave prayoga.
Hasyate is laughing is done. Only action is highlighted. So Kartari and Bhave Priyaha. Whereas Sakarmaka Dhatu can take. Sakarmaka Dhatu can be in Kartari, can be in Karmani already we have seen, and Bhave also possible. But in Karma is not mentioned. That is, the speaker doesn't want to mention karma. Karma vivakshaya. Sakarmaka dhatu also can be in bhave prayoga. Understand?
Yes.
Yes? Hello? Understand, right?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, understood.
That's what I have written here. You can see Sakarmaka dhatu can be in kartari prayoga. Ramaha palam kadati. Sakarmaka dhatu can be in karmani prayoga. Ramena palam kadyati. Sakarmaka dhatu can be in bhave also when karma is not mentioned. Ramena kadyate. Akarmaka dhatu can be in Kartari Priyoha, Rama Hasati, for example. Ramena Asyate, Bhave Priyoha. Understand? This is what covered by the Sutra, Laha Karmani Cha Bhave Cha Karma Ke Bhyaha. Right?
Understood. Yes.
Ramaha Tandulam Kadati. Ramena Tandulaha Khadyate. Ramena Khadyate. Three Priyoga you can see in Sakarmaka. Akarmakaha you can see two Priyoga, Kartari and Bhave. Ramaha asati, Ramena hasyate. Ramaha patati, Ramena patyate or Ramaihi hasyate, whatever it is. Akarmaka dhatus can be in Bhave Priyoga and Kartari Priyoga. Sakarmaka dhatu can be in Bhave, Karmani and Kartari Priyoga. Sakarmaka dhatu can be in Bhave Priyoga if the vivaksha of the speaker is not to specify karma. Is it clear?
Yes.
Clear.
Okay. Other things and all. It's context. I think I taught to Rajaspati. I taught you. I'll send this document. You can go through. My interest is not to talk about this, to give some idea about Karmani forms that will be useful for our exercises and things.
This
Now you see.
one
Hmm.
question. This
Hmm.
karmani and kartari or bhave prayoga. This is one samasa kartari prayoga.
Yeah. Samasa, compound. Yes.
Oh,
That Kartari,
kartari
that Pratyaya doesn't go away. It's Aluk Samasa.
aluk samasa. Okay.
Yes. It's Karmani Prayogaha, Kartari Prayogaha, Bhave Prayogaha, compound. Aluk Samasa. Samasa Vibhakti will drop, but here doesn't drop. Okay.
Sure.
Yes.
Nice.
Yeah.
Understood what we discussed now? It's important. Don't forget.
Yes.
Be very thorough what we discussed. Now, for different dhatus, Karmani Priyaha, Karmani Rupam. We will see with sutras later. Now, without sutra. Dhatus ending in Rikara. What will be the Karmani Priyaha Rupam? For example, though I have given the sutra is not important. Now, Kru Dhatu. Kartari Vava Karmanoho, Sarvadhatike Yak. By that, Kru plus Te, Kru plus Yak plus Te. There is sarvadhatuka pratyaya, when sarvadhatuka pratyaya follows a dhatu, karmani, bhava karmanoho, yak will come. When yak pratyaya follows to the rikaranta dhatu, please note, then what will happen? R is replaced by Ri, it's a rule. Ring sha yen yak ling shu, sutram is there by that. So, sutram is later you will see. Anyway, not now. Bhava karmanoho, separate topic, bhava karma. So kakara plus re kriyate. This form is alone is important. You need to remember the forms. Kr plus yak plus te. What you get? Kriyate. Kr plus yak plus te. Kriyate. Kr plus yak plus te. Rikara and the dhatu. But rikara becomes re. Kriyate. Understand?
Yes.
Understand.
Mr plus yak plus te. Mriyate. न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचित् Dhr plus yak plus te. What will happen to dhr? Dhriyate. So any rikaranta you take. Dhr plus yak plus te. Dhriyate. R is replaced by re when followed by yak. Understand?
Yes.
Understood.
Sr plus yak plus te. Sriyate. Okay.
Yes.
Interesting.
What
Nice.
about smr? This is very simple to remember. What about smr dhatu? Dhatus ending in conjunct. The dhatus ending in r when preceded by conjunct consonant. Like for example, smr. R ending fine, but preceded by a conjunct, sakara and makara. In that case, what will happen? R should be replaced by r, not by ri. So smr dhatu, for example, smr plus yak plus te becomes not smriyate but smaryate. Similarly, this is okay. Also for rikaranta dhatu also riyate.
So,
Stri dhatu
uh,
to
uh,
take where conjunct is there.
sorry,
Huh?
Sharanji, some audio was cut. Can
I
you
was
repeat
saying
last line again?
dhatu, for the dhatu rikara, and for the dhatu ending with rikara preceded by a conjunct consonant, ru will be replaced by ar.
Okay.
It's a rule. For
Oh,
dhatu rikara, ru is a dhatu. One dhatu is richati, ru dhatu. And for the dhatu ending with the rikara preceded by a conjunct consonant, the ru will be replaced by ar. So smr becomes smar. Smar plus yak plus te smar. Str will become star plus yak plus te staryate. And r will be replaced by r plus yak plus te aryate. Understand?
Yes.
understood.
So if it is rikaranta preceded by a non-conjunct, then a re will come. Kriyate, hriyate, maryate, dhriyate, like that. For rikara, for the dhatu r and for the dhatu ending with r preceded by conjunct, r will be replaced by r. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Then for the dhatus ending with the long rikara, then what happens? R becomes eed. Like for example, str dhatu. Sorry, tr dhatu. Str also is there. Tr dhatu. Tarati tarataha taranti becomes what happens? R is replaced by ear. Now after that you tell me what happens here. This part you tell. Look at this part and tell me what happens.
Uh, Dirga,
Huh?
Dirgatun, Dirgatun.
Yeah, by what sutra?
Um, this
By what
is
sutra it happens? Ruvorupadaya dirgaha ikaha ali. Not the Ruvorupadaya ali. When a consonant follows repanta or vakaranta dhatu, its upada equilateral will get dirgatvam. That's what has happened. I have written ear because in this context it will be replaced by ear. That's why I said ear direct. Actually, it is replaced by what? Ear. The rikara is replaced by ear by sutram. All the rikaranta dhatu will be replaced by ear. After replacing by ear, what happens? When the pratyaya yak comes, therefore a consonant follows, yak follows the repa, and therefore upada letter, ik letter gets dirgatvam, therefore ear. That is why in the beginning itself I have put it as ear. This is for the non-Paninian students. I prepared this document. Okay. Now you know
Yes.
Sutram, therefore you can apply and then find out. Is it clear?
Yes.
Hmm. I have put the ear because the Sutram and all for the, not for the Paninian students, non-Paninian. For them, I prepared this document long back. Anyway, so just I'm sharing that. Okay. So we know what happens. We know we have seen this sutra already. Ritaha Iddhataha Sutra, 7 and under we have seen. Yes or no? You have to see, please see the preparation of the dhatu. We have seen this.
Yes.
For very simple. Already we have seen this sutra. So therefore, Rikara is replaced by ear. Then what will happen after that? Halicha. When Repantar Vakaranta dhatu is followed by a hal, then the preceding ikar short it will take dirgha. Therefore, tiryate. We have seen this. Remember,
Yes.
what is the number? Alicha. 8 to what? You must say. Irvoho, Rupadayaha, Dirgaha, Ikaha, then Alicha, then Upadayamcha, all those sutras already we have seen. 8 to 76. Irvoho, Padayaha, Dirgaha, Ikaha. Alicha, 8 to 77. Please check your notes. All these things already discussed. Do you follow?
Yes.
Yes. Follow.
Already it is done. So therefore it is very easy. I'm not doing anything new. Same thing only I'm doing. Not discussing anything extra. Similarly, kru will become rikaranta dhatu. Becomes, what happens? Kiryate. Becomes kiryate. Right? Similarly, jiru dhatu. Jiryate. Rikara, same. Gru becomes giryate. Karmani prayoha. Gru. Dru becomes dhiryate. 8 to 77. 100 we have to apply. After that, 8 to 77, you get the form. Simple. Next one. When Rukara preceded by Ostia letter, then what is a sutra? Tell me, what will happen? This also I taught you. Sutram, in fact, I taught you. Dhatu ending in Rukara preceded by Ostia letter. What will happen to Rukara? This is a thing and section only we have seen. The introduction.
This
All the sutras where we know. Huh?
Udoshta
Exactly. What is the what will happen to the what? Tell me. What will happen to Rukara? What is the Adesha?
Ut Adesh.
Uttadesha will come. Like example of Prudhatu, for example. Pr plus Yak plus Te. Rukara is preceded by Ostia letter. Pakara is Oshta, labial. Ostia. Therefore, what will happen to Ru? Ru will be replaced by Ur. And Ur, what will happen to Ur? Repa followed by Hal. Therefore, this equal letter will get Dirgaha. Therefore, Ur. Uryate. That is what I have written here. Ru will become Ur. Not Ru directly becomes Ur. 71102 followed by 8 to 77. 8 to 77 Alicha. Already we have seen. Because of that, U becomes oo. Got it?
Got it.
Yes.
Yes. Similarly, Br will become Vuryate. All the Karmani forms you must remember. That's why I categorize like this. One, just Rikara become Re. Number two, Rikara when preceded by conjunct becomes Ar. Third one, Rikara Dhatu replaced by Ir and Ir becomes Ir. Fourth one, Rikara Dhatu preceded by Oshtiya letter becomes Ur and Ur becomes Ur. And next one is Dhatu ending in Rasvaikara or Ukara. What will happen? It becomes Dirgaha. For example, E becomes E. You can see Chi plus Yak plus Te. Chi Dhatu, fifth conjugation. Chiyate. Dhatu, Chi Dhatu becomes Chiyate. Ji Dhatu, Jayati, Ji. Jiyate. G plus Yak plus Te, Jiyate. Kshi. Kshi plus Yak plus Te, Kshiyate. E becomes Dirga. Similarly, U becomes Dirga. C dhatu, C plus Yak plus Te, Siyate. Smi dhatu, Smi plus Yak plus Te, Smiyate. And U will become U. Stu plus Yak plus Te, Stuyate. Shru plus Yak plus Te, Shruyate. Shrinoti, that is Shrinoti in Kartari, Shruyate in Karmani. Sudhatu, Su becomes Suyate, Suyate Sacharacharam. Sridhatu, Sru will become U, Sruyate. Sri plus Yak plus Te, U becomes Dirga. Similarly, Hudhatu, U will become Huyate, Ahu Yate, all those things. Understand?
Yes.
Similarly, Kli plus Yak plus Te, Kluyate. They're all simple, it's a simple document. This is just to, for easy remembrance, I prepared this. So, Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Rikaranta, we have seen. Now, Akaranta dhatu, some dhatus are given. Da, Dha, Bha, Ma, Sta, Ha. These dhatus in Karmani Prayoga, when Yak follows, what happens is the Da become Di, Dha become Dhi, Bha become Bhi, Ma become Mi, Sta becomes Ti, Ha become He. These five Akaranta dhatus forms you have to remember. Dadati becomes Diyate, Dadatu. Similarly, Dadhati, third conjugation, becomes Diyate, Akaranta Dhatu. Bhati becomes Bhiyate. Then Madhatu, Ma to measure, Mati, second conjugation, it is, becomes Miyate. Stadhatu, Tishtati. In Karmani, it will be Stiyate. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Clear.
Okay, I think we will stop here. This document, not yet over. There are many things to be discussed.
Oh,
We will do
nice.
it. You go through. I will send the document after sometime.
Sure.
First, you understand this very clearly. You go through the recording. You take notes. Then only it will stay in the mind. Everything I'm spoon feeding. That's why you don't answer correctly. You have to work. Ardhadhatuka pratyaya, what ardhadhatuka, what kitu, what baladi, all those things must be thorough. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Then later this Bhava Karmanoha, separate topic. That time we will see the sutras separately, Anuvritti, Vritti, all those things later. This is just for the language purpose. We need to remember these forms easy. Okay,
Sure.
stop here. I got class now, 2:45, and get ready.
Oh,
Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। हरिः ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः
हरिः
ॐ
ॐ
धन्यवादः।
धन्यवादः. Thank you.
Thank you.
See.